So our old website looks kind of like this. It is pretty obvious that it hasn't been redesigned in quite a while. It looks pretty old, and so that's one of the things we're hoping to update is make it look more modern. But one of our main concerns is that right now I have to edit the actual HTML code if I need to change anything. And it's a very old version of HTML code that looks something like this. And I am not a computer scientist, and so I don't know a whole lot about HTML. I can edit regions of it to do things like add publications and things like that. But it's very tedious to do it that way. And so an easier interface for making minor changes like adding publications, removing group members from the website as they graduate and move on, adding the new members as they come. Those are probably the two biggest things that we want to make sure get more streamlined with this new website.
We predominantly want to have a convenient way to update our publications and to also restrict access to certain materials to group members. So we want a sort of streamlined website, sort of like the one from Vincent Lavallo's group, which if you look at their publications, we really like that type of format, which they have the title of the publication, and that title links to the actual page from which you could access the publication. And it has a nice graphic that describes what that publication is. We'd be able to provide that type of graphic. We want to be able to update that with a minimal amount of slogging around in the HTML code. We also want to have something on our main page that acts as a sort of slideshow to highlight the different areas of research. There are about 4 different areas of research. We want to be able to have all of them automatically slide through, sort of like what we have here, but without a lot more finesse to it, and not having necessarily images of what you see here. So that's what we're hoping to get out of this. We're trying to have it be user-friendly so that we can have a smooth transition from person to person who takes care of this website to be able to access all the features, update publications, update the research as it changes. We also hope to have a restricted access part of the website so that group members can access certain things but the general public cannot.